Oh.
I need a chain.
Yeah.
It's loud, man. Fuck.
You know how fucking loud your bike is?
Oh, shit.
That's nothing when you're on the highway.
What?
You don't hear your pipe when you're on the
No.
It doesn't sound anywhere freaking close. Fucking
Sounds
loud,
nice.
man. When you're on the bike, you don't fucking hear it. So
I told you. Yeah, I said I don't know how it is, how loud it is.
Yeah, you know your helmet on.
What? Feels good?
It was got wheelie, but that fucking idiot was fucking...
Feels good?
Yeah, it feels really good. That fucking idiot was doing 5 kilometers an hour.